Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my tips on how to make your home cozy. So let's get started. So of course I have on my cozy sweater. I love it. I just picked it up off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description if you're interested in it. It's so cute, you guys, though. Like, it literally goes down past my knees. So it's such like just a cozy little sweater. So my first tip to make your home cozy is all about you. And I think you need a nice pair of slippers at home. My slippers are actually from Walmart, and I believe they're slippers that are like you can wear out of the house, but to me they just look like slippers because they actually have soles on the bottom of them. But these are so cozy. I believe they were around like $10 or $12, and I just think they're the best little slippers for the winter. And so when I get home, I don't like our family to wear shoes in the house, but I can put these on and it keeps my feet warm and I just feel cozy. Tip 2 is all about your pillows, but it's more about adding texture to your pillows. So I want to thank today's sponsor, Motini Design, for sending me all the products in today's video, and I'll have their link down in the description box so you guys can go check them out. But when you're trying to make your home cozy, you want your pillows to have different textures. So on my couch, I have a really large sectional. And so for me, I believe to make it cozy, you need around 8 or 9 pillows. I know some people might think like, whoa, that's a lot, but I really think it just helps to make it cozy. But don't get in a rut of having all the same textures. So try to get some that have different fabrics, different patterns. You can get some that are basic, but maybe have some that have different elements. That's gonna really create that textured, cool look. And even when it's not winter, I think that you can still apply that principle with having different textures, but it just kind of cozies things up in the winter. How adorable is this pillow by Motini? It comes in a pack of 4, and it literally has like this awesome pattern on here, and then it's totally fringed on the other side. It's so cute. And then you just put in your own pillow form on the back. It's like this canvas color. At first, I thought these were black, but when I look at it more, it's more of a navy color, and I think this will just work perfectly. I have it sitting out by black, and it looks great. So if you have kind of blues or blacks in your decor, I think these are like a perfect neutral, and they're very trendy. Tip 3 is about your blankets. So in the summer and spring, I don't keep my blankets out on my couch, but definitely in the winter, I like to have them sitting out. So for a sectional, I have one that's like back here in the corner. You can also put your throw blankets over on the side of your couch. An easy way to put it on the side of the couch is just to fold it in half and drape it over the side. Throw blankets are also nice in little side chairs. They just fit in so nicely, and it really just gives everybody like a personal little blanket, and it makes people feel more cozy. My kids are all the time pulling the blankets down and wrapping up with them, but in the colder months, you want those blankets around. I think these blankets are super stylish and perfect for fall and winter. So when you're picking your blankets, you just really want to find ones that are soft and cozy. These blankets by Motini Design are perfect. They are just ones that you want to snuggle up with. And for me, I want it to be attractive, but it's also got to be soft and something that I want to use on the couch. Number 4, to keep your house super cozy, you want to have candles out. Now I know if you have younger kids, this may be harder. When my girls were younger, I didn't keep a lot of candles out. So one thing that I would do is maybe something like a Scentsy, and I would put it up high. That way the kids couldn't get into it. But now that my girls are a little bit older, I can have candles out. I love lighting them. I think it just sets like a cool mood. Some of my favorite candles are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think they have great scents. I have one that is a flannel candle. I'm also trying out this new one called Leaves. They told me that that's their most popular one when I was buying candles. So whatever your scent is, you can find it. And I just like ones that smell really good. I think the candles create a nice mood, but they also just make beautiful light in your home. So number 5 has to do with your rug. Any rug that has a bit of texture to it is going to look a lot more cozy. So you often want to change out your rug to make it have a little bit more texture in the fall and winter. It's just going to be a lot more inviting and cozy, and one of those things that you just want to like warm your toes up on. And this one is adorable, and I will have it linked in the description box below. Number 6 may be a little bit unexpected, but I think it is important, and that is plants. For me, I think plants really help to create that warm environment in your home. So even when it's cold outside, you still want to have plants throughout your home. I know some people really struggle with real plants, so you could always use fake plants, but I do encourage you to try a few real plants. I'm not the best at keeping plants alive. If you do have an IKEA, they have some of these nice succulent plants that I've picked up, and they don't require very much water, and so I've been able to keep these alive. So maybe try a few real plants and see if you're able to keep them alive. But for me, on my coffee table, I just think they make a cute little vignette with the plants as well as the candles that I'm gonna be lighting at night. Number 7, another thing that will help you keep your house nice and cozy is to really think about sticking with a neutral color palette, because neutrals are calming. So things like your whites, your grays, your tans, your beiges, those are all really calming to the eye. And when you have a lot of vibrant colors, it's a little bit much and it's just not as cozy and inviting. So I do recommend in your main living space is really sticking to a neutral palette. Maybe in some of your rooms you can be a little bit more bold, but if you want it to be calm, if you want it to be cozy, neutrals are the way to go. So number 8 would be to add framed pictures in your home. I think this is happening far less for us because so many of us live in this digital age where all of our pictures are on our phones and our computers, but I really do challenge you to have some framed pictures out around your house. Like if you think back to like your parents' house or your grandparents' house, they always had pictures hanging on the walls, and it just makes it feel homey and cozy. And so I want to do that same thing for my kids. I want them to see pictures of us as a family and their grandparents and different members of their family out in our space, because it makes the space more your own, and I think it just makes it more cozy. I hope that you were able to get some inspiration for your home and maybe some things you could try in the colder weather. And if you're interested in any of the products that I showed in the video, you can look for them down in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I post 3 DIYs each week, and I'll link our last DIY here so you can go watch that one next. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.